How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can use the variable layer height in Anycubic Slicer. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to actually import my model onto the Anycubic Slicer. And simply right after, you could just go ahead and click on the model that you want to apply the variable layer height to. So in my case, it's going to be this one. And then you want to click on this specific button. Of course, it's called the variable layer height. And from here, we could adjust it the way we want to. Now, we want to select the adaptive in the pop-up panel to automatically optimize our layers. So you could go ahead and just click on this option right here to do that. Now, you could drag the slider towards quality for finer or speed for coarser. Now, you can also click on the smooth option to blend the layer transitions. So basically from here, you could just go ahead and tune the variable layer height the way you want to, but that's going to be it. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.